Yeah, just let go with that hand. When you come in August, it's like, I mean, it's like that. Yeah, the whales, they came clear past here the other day. 2 gray whales did. What's the top little thing on it? Oh, really? Yeah.
Yeah.
Must be the new GoPro.
Yeah.
Because I like the microphone thing and everything else. The shell's more rounded. Because yeah, you see what that is for? Look, when in August you come, you take that clip off that, you clip it right in the top of that motor. It's watching everybody's rods, you know. So you'll get some good. So this is El Waco right over there. And that's Cape Disappointment when they say buoy 10. The red can over there is 14, the next one's 12, and the next one is about where the freighter and the barge is, the dredge.
Yep.
That's 10. You can't fish past that. I mean, there's 1,000, sometimes 1,500 boats from here to the bridge. So when I grew up, you would always drive way out and around everybody and everything else, you know. No, now they run right next to you. When you see all the cars, that's where you drive through Hammond. You can drive out to the jetty, you can drive around, and then you can drive the little side roads. I caught them in Costa Rica and down in Nicaragua when I did a show for ESPN down there. Thing this big that's got weight in it. Okay, and then it's got loops of line on it, and you put bait in it, and then you cast it out there, and you catch crab, and then you measure them and keep the ones you can keep. Some guys had 12. I mean,
no shit.
Yeah, there's a seal. Southern Oregon coast. They catch tons of lingcod, sea bass, black bass, halibut. They do a lot. Or I have to go a little bit faster, maybe. Well, how many are we going to get this first one? Not making noise. This is a boy crab because he's got the straight line right there. That's the difference between a male and a female.
Rounded off on the female.
Yeah, this is round. So this one, no females. Okay. Then you have to measure these from the inside of these points right there. So that goes on the inside. He's way big enough. 3. 6. See that? Do you believe it? Sure. Okay. A lot of females.
Curve it that way.
I just won. We'll let them soak for half hour real quick before I pull them all the way in. Depending if the other ones, I'm going to put them out somewhere else. Pull them. But I know. Oh no. Yeah. There's some 14. 15. Look at that guy.
Good. Big?
No.
Because he's big as
They just have 21, 3. These are female.
Nope.
This one's not as many. It's got crab in it. Remember.